In this lesson, I want to show you how to make a simple ring in MatrixGold. First, let's open Tools this tab right here, and here we'll select Ring Rail. This is a command that creates a circle. Here, you can specify its size. Well, 7 suits me just fine. Let's set it to 7. Enter. And we get a circle like this. Now, click on Profile Placer to place profiles on our ring and connect them. Here there are different profiles. It opened. In the profiles with little people icons, those are profiles I created myself. You won't have those. To create your own profile, you need to select a profile and click on the pencil icon. This button right here, let's choose a profile. I'll pick the 11th one. Click on the pencil icon. Edit it. Just like this. Okay. And we get a shape like this. That's how I created this profile. Let's select it now. There we go. Alright. This one right here. Select the 17th one. Now let's place these profiles around the circle so that we can change their size. Select the profile and adjust its size. And let's enable Activate Auto Sweep so that everything connects automatically. And press Enter. Now we already have something that looks like a ring. We need to add a diamond and its setting. Let's go to Gems. Here is Gem. A little diamond appears. You can change its size using size. I think I'll make the diamond a bit smaller, but not too small. Here's a diamond. Now let's make a setting for the diamond. Go to settings and here choose not this one, not that one, not that, not that, not that, not that, not that, not that. Prong placer will create metal prongs that will hold our diamond. But I'll make a metal ring that will support our diamond, called a bezel. Here it is. It creates this kind of setting for the diamond. We can change its height, the height from below, the height from above, the thickness of the bezel. Here we are adjusting, just like that. Enter. And now we have this kind of setting for the diamond. These checkboxes that I'm turning on now are snaps to different locations. For example, let's take the freeform curve here. Eyes and start drawing from here. You see, it snaps from here to here. And we get a curve. Now I'll create another ringa polygon. Let's start drawing the polygon like this. We press the fillet command. Here it is, fillet curves. And we round off all the edges of our polygon. Here they are being rounded so that if we actually make this ring, it won't scratch our fingers. Now we go back to Profile Placer and place the profiles. Click here and select here. There, I think the 7th one is suitable for this ring. Click Select and start placing them. Right here, click. Right here, click, and click. Now we can enable Auto Sweep and it will automatically connect them. Enter. Now let's add the diamond and its setting. Go to Gems. Here are the gems. Here's the gem. And now we have a diamond. Drag it over and lift it up. Just like that. Move it a bit over there and a bit and slightly change its size. Something like this. Now go to Settings. And here we'll use a command called Head. Look, it creates this kind of metal setting for our diamond. Let's lift this up. And this is what we get. Let's lower this and press Enter. And now we have two rings. One round with a diamond and the other like a polygon, also with a diamond on top. This was Robert FTF with you. Bye bye everyone.